Well, our project for the day is I have a tinted lens I bought very cheaply off eBay. I think I got like 6 of them for $10 or something. This goes on this camera that I'm using right now, and what I want to do is cut that down and put that in there like such, and then hopefully be able to film while welding. If I put that over the lens, it's very dark and no, it ain't coming good. So okay, first thing I'm going to do is going to put some tape over it, and one that should help stop it chipping, and 2 allow me to draw the outline of what we need on there.
Beauty, let's see how we did. Let's fire up the welder. Well, that's not too bad for, 15 minutes work. Just maybe need to lower the shutter speed a little bit, make it a little bit darker. Cool. Alright, we'll see you next time.